Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? As the biggest platform for video content on the internet, YouTube is the perfect place to make money from videos. If you think making YouTube videos means talking face-to-face with a camera, then you're in for a surprise. It's not necessary to show your face on YouTube if you want to make money. In fact, there are tons of YouTube channels that get millions of views that way. To join that list, you just need a proven YouTube marketing strategy. And that's what we're here for today. We're going to show you exactly how you can make money on YouTube. The best part? You don't need to show your face for any of our YouTube hacks. It's important to make sure your YouTube channel is ready to make money easily and effectively. Here are 5 things you can do to prepare your YouTube channel before getting started with making money. Step 1. Find ideas for your channel. The first step is to figure out what you should do on your YouTube channel without showing your face. The good news is that there are a ton of great options out there even if you want to remain faceless. Let's take a look at some of the best channel ideas to make money on YouTube. 1. Software tutorials. A great way to get lots of views on YouTube is to show helpful software tutorials to people. After all, tons of people try to look up solutions to software problems on YouTube. To help those people, you can show how to use a program or solve a problem on the screen. That way, you can make YouTube videos without using any extra equipment or showing your face. 2. Audio podcasts. With podcasts, you can get YouTube views even without showing any video at all. To get started, you can just grab a microphone and begin recording. For podcast topics, you can talk about your interests, tell stories, answer questions, chat with friends, and more. 3. Gaming videos. Many of the biggest YouTube channels are dedicated to video games, so they can be a great way to get started. 4. Compilation of memes and clips. For something that doesn't even need a microphone, you can look for funny clips or memes on the internet and collect them into a single video. It's a simple and effective way to entertain your viewers and make money on YouTube. Step 2. Optimize your channel profile. By optimizing your YouTube channel profile, you can make it much easier for interested people to find your content. At the same time, your YouTube channel will also look more professional, so people are likely to trust your videos. To show you how you can optimize your YouTube channel profile, let's take an example of the beginner's YouTube channel. 1. Clear cover art. Your cover art is the large image that shows up at the top of your YouTube channel. A great way to use this space is by adding a simple image that tells people what your channel is about. 2. Recognizable channel icon. The channel icon is a small image that shows up next to your channel's name. Here, you can add a recognizable photo of yourself or your brand's logo. This will make your videos easier to pick out from the search results. 3. Consistent color scheme. When you add your cover art and channel icon, you can also try using similar colors for both images. You can then use that color scheme for your video thumbnails as well. That way, people can immediately recognize your content whenever they see those colors. Step 3. Grow your YouTube channel. The next step is to grow your YouTube channel and get more subscribers and watch hours. With YouTube, the more people you reach with your content, the more money you can make. And to help you make money, we've got 2 great ways to grow your YouTube channel. 1. Post YouTube feeds on your website. For an easy way to grow your YouTube following, you can use YouTube feeds to show your video content on your website. After you do that, anyone who visits your site can watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. Step 4. Join the YouTube Partner Program. After you've got a following on YouTube, you can go ahead and join the YouTube Partner Program to start monetizing your content. To join the program, your channel should have over 4,000 watch hours in the past year, and more than 1,000 subscribers. Next, take a look at YouTube's monetization policies that your channel should follow. This means avoiding spam, harassment, scams, and other harmful content. This step is important since a single strike against your channel means you won't be able to make money on YouTube. Finally, you can create an AdSense account once you're ready to monetize your YouTube channel. Let's get started and show you how to be successful on YouTube without showing your face. With these tried and tested YouTube hacks, you can get started right away. 1. Use affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to make money on YouTube is to use affiliate marketing. All you have to do is promote products using your YouTube videos, and when people buy the product, you can get a part of that money. To get started, go ahead and join an affiliate network so you can start promoting their products. Some great affiliate networks that you can join are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Lead Dino, Flex Offers, a Win. Once you join the affiliate network, you can pick a category of products to promote using your YouTube channel. If you choose products that are related to your video content, you can make more money since your viewers will also be interested in those products. After joining the affiliate network, just add links to the affiliate products in your video description or comment. Your viewers can now click on those links to buy the products while you make money. 2. Make sponsored videos. Sponsored videos are another simple way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. You can just partner with a brand and make videos to promote their products. That way, you can make interesting content and get paid at the same time. To get started, you can directly reach out to brands and offer to make sponsored videos. And if your channel is getting lots of views, brands can even contact you and make an offer. Another option is to join a network like Grapevine, which will help you connect to sponsors, so you can start making money. 3. Promote your products. For a direct way to make money using YouTube videos, you can promote your own products. That way, you can make money and give dedicated subscribers another great way to support your channel at the same time. For a great example, check out this video from GoPro that promotes their action cameras. Instead of asking you to buy their products, they are directly showing you what you can do with them. It's a great way to convince viewers to buy from you. Another way is to ask your viewers to check out your merchandise or products at the beginning or end of your videos. Just drop a link to your sales page in the description, and you can start making money on YouTube. What's more, you can also use feeds for YouTube Pro to embed these videos on your website. You can then use YouTube videos to convince website visitors to buy your products. It's a great way to boost your conversions and get more sales. 4. Start email marketing. Here's something interesting. For each $1 you put into email marketing, you'll get $42 in return. You can just send an email to people and ask them to check out your YouTube videos or subscribe to your channel. Plus, you can also promote your products using emails and directly make money this way. Before you get started with email marketing, you'll need a list of people who want to get emails from you. To create this email list, you can use the best lead generation tool in the market, Opt-in Monster. And that's it. As you can see, you can be a faceless YouTuber and have a successful channel. Just follow our proven marketing tips, and you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. They're all easy to use, so you can start making money today. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.